Do you want to blur your photo background but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing great. In this video I will let you know how you can blur your photo background free of cost with few simple steps. So let's start the video. So friends, this is the image. I will blur background of this image with few simple steps. First of all, open your browser, then search blur background online. Then you will see this kind of first website. The website is called Pixel Cut. Open this website in new tab. Here we go. Then you will see this kind of page. You will see two options, upload image or drag images. So I will click on upload image. Then I will select the image from my PC. Here we go. Then processing will start, and during processing, image will be blurred from the background automatically. Here we go, the background has been blurred, and on the left hand side top you will also see an option. You can select how much you want to blur the image. You want to blur completely or you want to blur a little bit. You can change it by yourself the way you like it. And after all the setting, you can simply click on download and the image will be downloaded into your PC. So friends, this is how you can blur your photo background easily with few simple steps and free of cost. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification icon as well for more videos like this. Take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.